Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD Cutaway. This is the crew chassis work truck, 6.6 liter V8, 6-speed automatic. Nice. Total price of the truck itself, $46,788. Cab hide. Not sure how you pronounce it, but this one has the compartments. All different compartments. With lighting. And then of course it's on both sides. Total price as equipped, $60,531. That includes the bed. Now on top of, not sure what these other two buttons do, but you have lock and unlock. No, I want unlock. There we go. You have the key for all those compartments, the actual key to start the truck, and the fob. Auxiliary to do that. V8, not a bad little, well, I want to say not a bad little motor, but it ain't little. Okay, it's a work truck. Got that key. No running boards, so getting in, you gotta kind of throw yourself up here. Whew. Inside, it's pretty much your normal Silverado. Except when you look in the mirrors, of course, you could not tell. This is an awesome truck. Silverado is a great truck to begin with. Now you have all those compartments. Are you gonna lose out on actual bed space? Yes, but it's still pretty good. And what you lose in that space, you gain in the space for all the compartments and stuff like that. I would say this would be perfect for like an electrician and stuff like that. Maybe irrigation. Something where you really don't need a truck bed, but you need a lot of storage. Might get a little bit more air going in here. It's not cold today, nice and warm, 74 degrees. All in all, to drive, this thing's not bad. It's a nice truck. Do love myself those trail bosses that are parked there. Somebody bought a red one today. I was gonna film it, but lately we've had maybe like 3 Silverados in inventory at any given time. They are not very common right now. Tight squeeze, there we go. Wide. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.